Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Learn in a Nutshell. So in today's video, let's quickly see how to install Terraform. Let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to Chrome and look for or search for Terraform, and you can just start Terraform download. You will get a link from HashiCorp developer. Just click on that. Here you can choose any version based on your operating system. So mine is Windows, so let me download this 386 or AMD 64, anything is fine. So once downloaded, go to the folder, extract. So once extracted, you will get this. Copy this URL, go to your Explorer, this PC, right click, go to Properties, and here there's something called as Advanced System Settings. Click on that, click on Environment Variables. Here look for Path, double click, and you can click on this New, paste the URL which you just copied, and make sure it's the perfect one. So yeah, there should be .exe file, so make sure that is there inside that folder. Once you paste that, click on OK, click on OK, click on OK. Now go to CMD and just type Terraform -v. So you'll get to see if Terraform is installed or not. So this is about how to install Terraform. In the coming videos, let's try something with Commerce tool. Try to spin up a Commerce tool environment or Commerce tool infrastructure with Terraform. So one by one we can do that. So yeah, and please do follow my channel, subscribe to my channel, Learn in a Nutshell, and do like the video if you liked it, and also share with your friends. And watch out for more videos on this channel to spin up a commerce tool environment using Terraform. So yeah, let's catch again next video. Until then, see you. Bye.